So what am I doing at the beach when we're supposed to be making a video about feed and water? Well, I'm making the chickens a miniature beach of their own. Actually, it's called a dust bath. But this fine sand out here on the intercoastal, it'll be perfect for it. Essentially, water and feed are buckets with gadgets attached. So that means I gotta fix up the floor before I can put the buckets on the floor. So that means put down some mulch, and in my experience, mulch is a little damp out of the bag. So you have to put it down and let it dry out before you can level it and, figure it all out. And the dust bath is essentially, it's like sand, wood ash, diatomaceous earth, and you could add a little soil if you wanted to, but since mine is kind of like in the dirt to start with, we're not going to add the soil. But I do have a firewood rack and a fire pit area that I can generate some wood ash. So we're pretty much close to getting the coop ready to do the buckets. So who knew? Fixing up a couple of buckets for feeding water required installing a whole floor in a chicken coop. But that's the way it goes. One thing leads to another, and now it's kind of sort of ready for chickens, or at least adult chickens. Except I don't have any chickens. So we'll have to work on thinking about that. I may have to make a brooder. I still have to figure out fastening their grit and crushed shell dispenser. And I am thinking about rainwater catchment. That'll be another video. Stay tuned.